Welcome to speedearning.com. Are you a very busy employee or professional and still you want to become the part of stock market or commodity market? You want to trade online, but there is one problem. You don't have any time. There are so many fellows who are complaining that they are going to the office at 9 a.m. in the morning and coming back at 9 p.m. They want to do, but how can they do? And their problem is genuine, but it's not 100% correct. Actually, you can find some way. If you want to do something, if you want to know the score of cricket, you are able to know. If you want to forward the message on WhatsApp, you are able to do that. You are hearing the news, you are chatting with your friends without any direction. If you want to become the part of stock market, it is possible with us. We are showing some of the ways which are very efficient for busy fellows. Even if someone is having 8 to 9 spare hours or free hours for stock market, we don't suggest him to sit over the screen for 7 to 8 hours continuously. We suggest to trade for 1 to 2 hours only, because this is a field where we don't need to work hard. We need to work in right approach. We need to work smart here. In every field, smart working is needed, but that is quite clear here. You can see. So what can you do? First of all, you can go for 7 to 15 days short-term holding of stocks. And what will be the method? You just go to bulk deal by mutual fund. We have discussed this method in an individual separate video, so you can see the detailed method there. So you can search with bulk deal by mutual fund Pankaj Jain video and you can find the way. So you just saw that some mutual fund scheme bought some stock at particular date, particular rate. You are also accumulating the same stock, and don't buy in single shot. If you are having 50,000 rupees, so buy first part in 30,000 rupees, and there might be some further dip. So you bought at 750 and now it is at 720. You are buying the other part on 720 rupees, waiting for 10 to 15 days. Now there was a jump in the price and it may be on 780 rupees, then at 20 rupees you are booking your profit and you are getting 7 to 8% in 15 days. That's a very good return, because monthly your return may be 10 to 15%. Even it is 10%, it will be annually 120%. You just compare. In FDs you are getting 7-8% without any excitement, without any learning, without any personal growth, and here you are getting 8 to 10 times, even 5 times profit is better. With your personal growth, you are learning something, because money is secondary matter. You are updating yourself. It is giving you excitement. So that is one way. Second way is long-term investment. Even if you can invest 500 rupees per month, means 10 to 20 rupees per day, it's okay. You can go with it. It will make your more than 2 crore worth portfolio. How? We shall train you in detail. So you can find for the video which is showing you how can you be crorepati in 20 rupees daily by Pankaj Jain. So you can find the detailed video there. Then third is IPO, initial public offer. You can invest your 1 or 2 lakh rupees. If you are having lump sum amount, you can invest in IPO, and you invested the money in public issue. You got allotment in 15 to 20 days. Then out of 10 application, you got 4 to 5 allotment only, but you got 15-20,000, which is double than your FD return. Then what will be the next option? That is option hedging. Option is one instrument which needs very less money, but it can give you the return far more than your expectation. It can double your money in single day only. It is also possible. In 1 week, it can give you 50 to 200% return. So, but you need knowledge, because Money is less needed, but knowledge is must. How to handle the options. If you are going otherwise, then it can reduce your money to zero. So option is risky if you don't have the knowledge. Option is very safe if you know the hedging methods. Hedging methods means you are buying simultaneously the call and the put combination. So whether the price is going upside or downside, you are safe and getting the profit from either side. So that's a great method, but we can't discuss it and you can't understand it, this in just 5 minutes. We need some time to explain this. You need some time to get the total understanding. So you can go for option trading techniques by Money Guru Pankaj Jain, and there are so many separate individual videos with different strategies. Actually, videos are telling you about the possibility of the market, but if you want to trade really in the market, we suggest you to go for systematic detailed training. What should be your approach? Suppose in India, some businessman is arranging, even it is the smallest business, he is arranging for 2-3 lakhs. We suggest you to come with 40,000 capital and 40-50,000 for training fee for 6 months. Just keep the less than 90,000 rupees in investment and start your experiment, and we are focusing to reach on 2 to 3 lakh in next 6 months, and then we are quite comfortable with your comfortable volume. We are not taking any uncalculated risk. Everything is quite scientific and systematic. That should be your approach, because we are not gambling here. We are going for a genuine business which will be the asset for not myself only, but for my family, for my coming generations. Because if you made the way for yourself, that way will be useful for your further generations. So that should be your vision. That will give you the inspiration to do something extra after your 10 days job, a 10 hours job. Your 10 to 12 hours hard, after your 10 to 12 hours hard work, you are unable to do something, but if it excites you, then it will be possible. Because if you are changing your work, it is a relief for you. Sometime we came from a hard day and we are trying to relax ourselves, but the things which are going from the office in our mind, they are not going to wash away. So if you are overlapping with something else, anything extra, then that will be vanished away and you can relax. So what is the most efficient method to relax? Just change your job. If you are going for any other direction, that will give you great relief. Just try it once and you will be very glad. So that is one method. Then you can go with STBT. STBT means you are selling call and put. It will need a large capital, means maybe 1 or 1.5 lakh, but it is also giving you regular profit. So there are so many ways. You can invest in mutual funds. You can invest in stocks for 6 months or 1 year and getting a great profit. So there were so many fellows who started learning stock market and they thought, we are unable to practice the market right now, but it's okay. I want to start this, and whenever I will be having time, I will practice it actually. But during the training period, they knew about the methods which are alternative, because you can place your order even after closing of the market. At 9 p.m., 10 p.m., you can go for equity SIP. You just decided for a good stock. You studied for 1 hour and you selected some stocks. We are supporting you. And what happened? You started one SIP, and by the end of the year, you invested 40,000 rupees and it is showing 65,000. You earned 25,000 due to that 1 hour extra study. And you didn't earn the money only. You earned the confidence. Confidence of a very efficient second option. Whatever you are doing, your career may be great, but you should have an option, because it gives you the freedom. So learning is the great joy, the best joy possible. So you just learn something new and you can feel yourself younger. So just come join us. We are having 1 month, 3 month, 6 month training courses, and you can start the training from the very next day. And even if you are very busy, you don't have any routine, you are having 1 or 2 hours in a week to learn, it's okay. After 6 months, you will be a new person with a new energy. We just promise you. So keep watching all the videos. Call us, WhatsApp us and mail us, and you can share this video to all your fellows. Thank you. Bye.